Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. All right, so I am just coming on really briefly to share with you the stamp set that I just got in the mail. Now, this stamp set is made by Mindless Crafting, and if you're not familiar with this craft supply company, it is owned by Tracy and Bill Phillips of Gift Basket Appeal here on YouTube. Now, Tracy started her YouTube channel. I believe majority of her videos were on gifting ideas, predominantly gift baskets and ways to, just gift small and inexpensive but thoughtful ideas and, items to someone you cared about. And so her channel grew over time, but with the addition of paper crafting, especially because she, one of her common themes is, use what you got, whether it's upcycling cereal boxes to create bookmarks or using a tissue Kleenex box to make a centerpiece for flowers. She has definitely been a great inspiration in the crafting community. I know that she has done some design teamwork for May Made It, and she had I think she was one of the teachers at the Made It Con last year. So I say all of that to say that I'm very proud to have been able to support and follow Tracy and Bill on this journey to creating their craft supply store. And I'll be honest with you, I was not expecting for the price that this stamp set it was. I was not expecting the quality that she put out. These are polymer stamps, and I'm just going to give you a close-up of that. And a lot of the stamp sets that she has, I believe she launched her first stamp set last year around Christmas time. I think it was around Christmas time, and since then she's added different seasons and different sentiments and things like that. But one of the things that I like about her stamp sets is that it's not gender specific, meaning it's not just for girls. It's not, in each stamp set you can find one or two of the stamps to create cards or paper craft, gifts for men or, the males. So I think I'm going to be an avid collector of her stamps because, like I said, it's polymer. It's clear polymer stamps, not just your regular clear acrylic. And I found that it's the polymer stamps that have a little bit more durability. They're a little thicker, and they have the ability to hold the ink a little bit better, so you get a better impression on the first stamp. So I will be featuring this in my upcoming video. And if you are not familiar with Gift Basket Appeal and Mindless Crafting, I'm going to drop a link below so that you can go on over to her channel, show her some love, and then also I'll drop a link to mindlesscrafting.com so that you can go and maybe check out some of the stamp sets they have, as well as some of the other crafting supplies. I know that she does carry some Echo Park paper pads, as well as the stickers, or the cardboardish kind of stickers. Nevertheless, she's got other things there. And then I also had grabbed some of the stickles from her site as well. So I just wanted to pop on to brag and show you my latest stamp set. And you guys know that the butterfly is a part of Livie's Lovelies logo. It has been for the last 10 years because of what the butterfly symbolizes. So I was happy that she had this stamp set. I was even happier that she was running a flash sale. So you got to keep an eye on her site and support a husband and wife team. They are a lovely couple. She is very inspiring and motivational and encouraging, and her Facebook group, if you ever get a chance, stop over there, join it. They are in that community. There's a bunch of loving and giving people. They rally together to send gifts and little tokens of appreciation or encouragement to people in the community, in different communities all around the world, actually. So that's it. That's my spiel. I just wanted to give a shout out to Tracy and Bill. Thank you for doing what you guys do. Thank you for standing in the gap, because a lot of times as crafters we get all caught up in making things perfect and buying all of the supplies. And Tracy, you have really made it a point to say use what you have so that you can be a blessing to others, and it doesn't have to be perfect. As long as it's made with love, that's all that counts. So all that being said, you know what we always say here until we're back here again on YouTube together. Stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.